Over the course of my career, I've had the opportunity to be part of a number of innovations and advances in the aesthetic field, and I want to tell you about another one. Congratulations to the Allergan team, who just on October 18th got an FDA approval to use Botox to treat the bands that extend from the jawline to the collarbone. They're called platysmal bands because this is the platysma muscle. The history on this is a little interesting because I was part of a small group of advisors many, many years ago at a meeting with some senior Allergan research people, and they asked us what new indications should we pursue for Botox. And as a group, there were about maybe 6 or 7 of us, we said, well, there's 2 platysma bands and jaw muscles called the masseter muscles, the muscles that are responsible for clenching and grinding of teeth. When we told Allergan this, they sort of looked down their noses a little bit and they said, yeah, we don't really think that's probably going to be anything that's going to be popular. And we didn't hear anything for a couple of years, and then lo and behold, the program comes around where they're going to do studies on both the masseter muscle and the platysmal bands. We were very fortunate to be part of those programs for a couple of steps, did several trials on these programs, and while the masseter jaw muscle program is still underway, the platysma program has just come to a successful conclusion. We've been treating platysmal bands for decades now. You can treat these with injections of Botox and any other neuromodulator drugs. There is no interference with swallowing or talking or exercising, and even professional singers can get injected without any effect on their voice. So it's really fun to be involved in these developments, and it's really fun when there's sort of a backstory and you said, we think you should do this, and you're told, no, we don't think so, and sure enough, they end up doing it. If you haven't explored Botox in your neck, feel free to ask us next time you're in. We'll tell you if you're a candidate.